Wes Alexander, Aerial Intelligence Group, VP of Flight Operations. A lot of people are looking for delivery, for security, for anything where you can use this unmanned aircraft. Precision agriculture is a big one. You can see areas that need watered, areas of infection, areas that have been neglected, changes in topography. All of that stuff is very easily done with unmanned systems. Emergency services are very easy to conduct and coordinate.
I'm Rosemary Blankside. I'm a detective and a public information officer for a sheriff's office here on the West Coast. We've had drones for less than a year, but we've used them almost every single week since the fleet was established. We've used them in active shooter situations, for search and rescue operations, for water rescue operations. It's really helped out with creating safer incidents for everybody involved.
So drone technology has a huge advantage to anywhere, any industry, any job that you typically put a person's life at stake in order to save another person's life.
So a few months ago we had an active shooter call. Once our deputies got there and our drone was deployed, we had that up within a matter of minutes and we were able to locate the suspect. Prior to this, without having our drones, it would have taken a lot longer to get this kind of intel and also would have put our deputies in a very dangerous situation.
I've worked on fires, a lot of the fires in California, fires up in Paradise, Taylor Creek, Grants Pass. So you've got all these people running headfirst into the fire to save property and lives, and having us overhead 24 hours around the clock was a huge benefit to them.
My name is Ken Cooper and I'm an assistant fire chief with Spring Valley Fire Department. If a local agency had a drone, when we arrived to the fire, it would be very easy to launch the drone and fly a 360, give us an idea of where the fire is, what direction the fire is going, what type of vegetation is burning, and what's the potential, how big it's going to get, if there's any structures close by that could be involved. We won't see that from the ground. We need to have a drone up in the air to be able to see that. The summer of last year, we had a lost hiker. We had multiple resources, multiple agencies called out, and it took many hours to find the hiker.
So a few months ago we had a search and rescue situation where a couple was venturing onto our coastal path late at night, and the girlfriend had lost her footing and she fell 250 feet down, breaking one of her legs. We were able to get one of our drones up within a matter of minutes and get her location verified, whereas before it would have taken our cliff rescue team half an hour, maybe even hours to find her.
Without that resource, we were on foot, in vehicles, binoculars, looking all around, and it took us many hours.
But with our drones, it happened within a matter of minutes and we were able to get her to medical care a lot faster than without the drones.
After the police are dispatched, the emergency services are dispatched, they often show up to a mixed bag of what to expect.
One of the greatest pieces of technology that we have these days is the autonomous drones. So if there is ever an incident either at a school or a corporate campus,
boop, the switch goes down, this thing launches into the air.
We can, with a push of a button, get those drones up within a matter of seconds and then start providing some of the intel for anybody who might be responding to that incident.
They've got a live video feed of that site. And so that's kind of how I see where we're at, is helping bridge that stuff that's been super James Bond, top secret, very cool, and now we're bringing it to public and private industries. A lot of times there's this problem that needs to be solved from a customer. There's a whole bag or box or room of technology, and then how do you piece that right? Boom, that's the light bulb moment. Wow, we didn't know we could do that. Now we can do it twice as fast, half the cost, and day in and day out. Aerial Intelligence Group is going to be able to target those solutions to industries in need, the services in need. I think it's going to become a household technology.